Hi everyone, I am back to the another video. So today's my topic is my favorite actor. So I am exciting for this. So let's start it. So my favorite actor name is Chris Hemsworth. So he is known for the best playing for Thor character in a Marvel movie. So that character is my favorite too because I really like frictional movie. So after that, when I saw the Thor character in a movie in a like theater in a big screen, so that time I was astonished because Thor had a power of God and also they had a power of thunder. When he had that, so he destroyed everything. Also, there was a one object when he had that, so he destroyed everything. So this the object I have also right now. The object is this object. When he had this hammer, so he destroyed everything, and also the power controlling by this hammer. So when I talking about the like series, so there was some enemy destroy his hammer. So when the Infinity War is coming, like I'm talking about the series, when there was a part in it, like when you're watching the series in the end part. So when the Infinity War was coming, so that time he made new hammer, like new hammer. So that hammer is ultimate stronger than this hammer. So sorry, this hammer name is Mjolnir. Yes. So that time he made new hammer like 10 time ultimate stronger. So after that the hammer I already have that right now in my hand. So this name is Stormbreaker. So when he had that, so his power is become ultimate. So I'm talking about. So there is some description about the Thor characters. When I talking about the Chris Hemsworth, so why I am admire the most and why, sorry, not admire and why basically admire, and also you will saying I'm really like why I'm really like Chris Hemsworth and why. So right now just tell you the small story about Chris Hemsworth. So when like before into getting into the movie, so that time he was facing too much failure, like rejection after rejection, failure after failure, because in the starting everyone is facing too much failure, and Chris Hemsworth always also he was facing too much problem in the starting. So do you know about the secret of success is? The secret is you have to do lot of hard work and you have to try one in a life. When you did that, so you will achieve it in your goal. So Chris Hemsworth born in like Chris Hemsworth was born in Australia, so he was growing up into the Australia, and when he saw his parents, because his parents is going to the like too much trouble that time. So basically he want to help his parents. So that time he was decided he want to help his parents. So he had some interest in like movies. So he went to America, Australia, into the America. So he took too many auditions. So luckily he got one web series and one movie. So that movie is not doesn't work in a like in the theaters and all. They don't get good collection. Also the web series not good go good in the OTT platform. So that time the Chris Hemsworth was very sad, like warmed up that time, because the inner voice of Chris Hemsworth saying to Chris Hemsworth. So like he was like the inner voice saying the success it doesn't mean for you, the only your failure. There's a lot of things like coming from the inside, because he was facing too much rejection. So after that there was a one hope in the Chris Hemsworth, because he basically had he want to help his parents. So that time he decided he want to do lot of hard work. So he did babysitting and he did cleaning in the houses. So whatever he get money, so he gave him like gave him to his parents. So that thing like really inspiring to me. So when he did lot of hard work that time, so he was doing lot of hard work. So he luckily got the iconic role in a Marvel Thor. So that movie changed his life. So he become bread butter in the life, also in the family, also breadwinner. Sorry, I forgot the vocabulary word. Breadwinner. He become a breadwinner. So also he become a highest paid actor in the world. So that is very inspiring me to, like it's very inspiring to me. So there was a small story about Chris Hemsworth. So the moral of story is you don't fear about the rejection and also don't fear about the failure. When you feel that, so you not do anything. So whatever you got opportunity, so just do that. When you're thinking too much, so you will not achieving anything. So make that clear, and also don't fear about the failures. It is very important thing, and also you have to apply in your life also. It is very important. So that's like small description of Chris Hemsworth and the story. Hope so you you will like that, and also thank you so much your valuable time giving to me, and also my listening my voice. So I will meet you in the next video. So like another exciting topic. So okay, bye bye, thank you.